Hello everyone, welcome to Steno Aspirants. I am Akshay and I am going to dictate you a passage on healthcare services containing 400 words at the speed of 100 words per minute. So get ready, 3 seconds. Start. Many of our drinking water sources have excess impurities like fluoride, arsenic, and man made contaminations due to untreated sewage, industrial effluents, and mixing of pesticides and fertilizers. Stop. It is proposed to earmark rupees 3600 crore under National Rural Drinking Water Program for providing safe drinking water in approximately 20,000 habitations affected with arsenic fluoride toxic purification plants in next 3 years. Stop. To move towards health for all, the two key initiatives, that is the free drug service and free diagnosis service, would be taken up on priority. Stop. In order to achieve universal access to early quality diagnosis and treatment to TB patients, two national institutes of aging will be set up at AIMS, New Delhi and Madras Medical College, Chennai. Stop. A national level research and referral institute for higher dental studies would be set up in one of the existing dental institutions. Stop. It is a matter of great satisfaction that all the six new aims at Jodhpur, Bhopal, Patna, Rishikesh, Bhubaneswar, and Raipur, which are part of Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana, have become functional. Stop. A plan to set up four more aims like institutions at Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Vidarbha in Maharashtra, and Purvanchal in UP is under consideration. Stop. I propose to set aside a sum of rupees 500 crore for this. Stop. Presently, 58 government medical colleges have been approved. Stop. It is also proposed to add 12 more government medical colleges. Stop. In addition, dental facilities would also be provided in all the hospitals. Stop passes. For the first time, the central government will provide central assistance to strengthen the state drug regulatory system by creating new drug testing laboratories and strengthening the 31 existing state laboratories. Stop. In keeping with the government focus on improving affordable healthcare and to augment the transfer of technology for better healthcare facilities in rural India, 15 model rural health research centers shall be set up in the states, which shall take up research on local health issues concerning rural population. Stop. Elementary education is one of the major priorities of the government. Stop. There is a residual gap in providing minimal school infrastructure facilities. Stop. Government would strive to provide toilets and drinking water in all the girls' schools in first phase. Stop. An amount of rupees 28,000 crore being funded for 5,000. Stop. Over.